Performance is where it truly shines. Gamers will love its flawless support for 4K at 120 Hz on PS5, Xbox Series X, and PC, with even higher refresh rates, like 4K at 144 Hz for PCs and 2K at 240 Hz for competitive gaming. Movie lovers will appreciate its ability to handle 8K at 60 Hz and 10K resolution, along with dynamic HDR for stunning brightness and contrast. The Silkland 8K certified HDMI 2.1 E-Braided cable is hands down one of the most impressive HDMI cables I've used. Unlike the majority of cables on the market, this one proudly carries the official HDMI 2.1 ultra high-speed certification, a distinction earned by only about 1% of HDMI cables. The authenticity can be quickly verified with the HDMI QR code scanner, giving complete confidence in its quality and performance.